సినిమాని మనకు అందించినటువంటి మా డైరెక్టర్ సావిన్ సార్ గారిని మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఫ్లూయెంట్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. అలన్ ప్లీజ్ కమ్ ట్రాన్స్లేట్.
అలన్, డూ యు నో తెలుగు?
No, he will speak in Malayalam. I will translate in English.
ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. ഒരു ഞങ്ങൾ ചെയ്ത സിനിമ ഇങ്ങനെ തെലുങ്കിൽ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു എന്ന് അറിഞ്ഞതിൽ ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്.
He is so happy to be here, and he is saying that. Sir? Thank you.
When he was sitting next to me, I spoke 20 minutes with him in English. He nodded his head as if he knows it. Radha,
എനിക്ക് ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷമുണ്ട് നമ്മുടെ സിനിമ ഇവിടെ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെന്ന് അറിഞ്ഞതിൽ.
Okay, he is telling that he is very happy that the whole Hyderabad is celebrating the movie, accepting the movie. He is very happy for that.
അതിനെ ഈ വേദിയിൽ നമുക്ക് എത്താൻ കാരണമായ സാഹുകാരി സാറിനും ഒരുപാട് നന്ദി.
Yeah, thanks to Sahu Garapati sir for arranging this venue, and because of him we are standing here.
പിന്നെ നിഖിൽ സാർ, ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. എൻ്റെ ചെറുപ്പത്തിൽ ഞാൻ ഒരുപാട് ഇങ്ങനെ നമ്മുടെ ഇവിടെ നിന്നുള്ള തെലുങ്ക് സിനിമകളൊക്കെ മലയാളത്തിലേക്ക് ഡബ് ചെയ്ത് വരുമായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെയുള്ള സിനിമകളൊക്കെ കണ്ട്.
Yeah, usually in his childhood days he used to watch the Telugu movies which were in childhood. Maybe he is in college, something like that. Okay, he used to watch the Telugu movies which is dubbed in Malayalam. So at that time he started watching his movies. So he is very happy that today he can stand with
അന്ന് ഞാൻ കണ്ടൊരു സിനിമയിലെ നായകനായിരുന്നു, ഹാപ്പി ഡേയ്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ മൂവിയിലെ സാർ. അപ്പം ആളിവിടെ വന്നതിൽ എനിക്ക് ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്.
So standing with that hero is very happy for him.
അത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ. നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും സിനിമ കാണണം, കൂടുതൽ ആൾക്കാരിലേക്ക് സിനിമ എത്തിക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക്സ്.
All of you please watch the movie and try to reach the movie to other audience also who not watch it. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. పాపం ఆయన ఫస్ట్ ఫిలిం వచ్చినప్పుడు నిఖిల్ గారు కూడా చిన్న అబ్బాయి హ్యాపీ డేస్